Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Today we are going to learn some more radicals. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at the original shape of this radical. What does it look like? It looks like a heart, right? Yeah, this radical means heart. Most characters with this radical are related to mood. Let's look at this one. This one's original shape is like a mouth with a tongue out, so it means speak or speech. Here are the two radicals we will learn today. Do you remember how many radicals we will learn together so far? The answer is 12. So today's task is not an easy one. Here you can see all the 12 radicals we've learned. You need to match the characters with their radical. Good luck!